Here we are at the old olive mill, which is also called the Mola culture factory in Pano, Lefkara. This is the start of the mosaic trail, and some people think that mosaic making is a craft, but a really good mosaic maker can introduce perspective, depth of field, movement and life into a mosaic. Of course, in Cyprus, that's been happening since the Mycenaean Greeks settled on the island 4,000 years ago, and was at its height in the Roman and then the Byzantine periods. The mosaics in Paphos, Kourion, Salamis and Soli are known all over the world, and I really love the Roman Leda and the Swan at Kuklia. Even in those long ago times, mosaic used a lot of local and natural materials, so was sustainable even then. The ancient Greeks used black and white pebbles, and the Romans were delighted by the rock colours in Cyprus and cherished the hard green terra verde stone, making mosaic tessera out of it. They brought a bright red from Egypt called porphyry. Many members of our team worked before with famous and sadly missed Cypriot artist Stas Paraskos, whose influence I have mentioned before in the pages of the Cyprus Mail daily newspaper. Stas was a great teacher and champion of using waste in art, and his mosaic in the Lemba wall near Paphos were groundbreaking. In modern-day Cyprus, mosaic continues, and in the mountainous area of Larnaca district, in Kato and Pano, Lefkara, our Green Village partnership likes to make mosaic art, which is even more sustainable. It all began over 10 years ago when we found thrown-away concrete flooring slabs on the beach near Paphos Airport. At some time in the past, heavy slabs were strewn along the beach to help stabilise the shoreline. What first attracted my attention was the round indented frog on the underside of the slab, which holds the cement and creates a suction pad when laying the slabs. I thought, this is ideal for holding mosaics. Now our mosaic work, led by Paniata Demetriou, can be seen in many villages in Larnaca district and has attracted the support of Larnaca Tourism Board. Right now we are creating a series of mosaics featuring bees, and they will be displayed in Kato, Lefkara, Laia, Melini, Odu, Ora, Vavla, Vavatsinia and Ayas Vavatsinias. Even more modern, contemporary and environmentally sustainable are mosaics made from snipped up beer and soft drinks cans. One of them is on a heavy plastic bleacher from a redundant skateboard park. Hashini, the artist, created a wonderful traditional Lefkara lace pattern, complete with 8 pointed stars, marguerites in Greek, which represented the Roman goddess of love, Venus. We got some really great ideas from Katie Galbraith, a Scottish master mosaicist who visited us here in Cyprus. Katie helps us design and create a sci-fi tree made mainly from broken crockery, beads, bark and pieces of shiny metal smelting slag. Pods made from plastic bottles stuffed with non-recyclable waste and covered with all manner of discarded objects hang from the branches and make me think of Isaac Asimov novels. The tree is displayed inside the old olive mill and is intended to give a strong environmental message about doing more recycling and reusing of materials. The old olive mill in Pano, Lefkara is the first stop on the Mosaics Heritage Trail. While in Lefkara and Kato, you can also visit local mosaics, including some created from a variety of waste materials. Your next stop on the trail is the Kourion Roman city, the Temple of Aphrodite at Kuklia, and the Paphos Archaeological Park. You can find a link to the map of the trail in the description to the video below, or contact the Mola Culture Factory for more details.